Hi guys, it's me Risa. How are you? I don't know about you, but I'm a huge peanut butter lover and I absolutely love yogurt. But I've never found peanut butter yogurt. So why not make your own, right? 3 ingredients, super fast, super delicious, high protein, low fat, low sugar, low sodium, and my favorite word, delicious. All you're gonna need is zero fat Greek yogurt, any kind. I buy mine at Walmart because it's only 4 grams of sugar for 3/4 of a cup if you wanna use 3/4 of a cup. And again, it varies on each program depending if you're following WW, okay, how much you use, all right? So you have to check your nutritional information to see the point value if you're on WW. The other thing that I absolutely love is PB2 for 2 tablespoons, 1 smart point on all programs, okay? Gives it that amazing flavor. The other thing you're gonna need is honey, or a sugar substitute. So if you don't have sugar-free honey, this is Nature's Hollow, okay? I get it at the low-carb grocery store. You can look it up, or you can use Joseph's syrup, any other kind of sugar-free syrup, or you could use lakanto monk sugar, all right? Or Swerve, or whatever you want to sweeten it up with, okay? And I'm telling you, it really makes a difference. So all I do is I just take, so easy, it's ridiculous. And this is a delicious breakfast, a snack, a treat, a dessert, even after a workout option, okay? And even as, you know, you can have it as a dip as well. So I just take like 3, usually heaping tablespoons of yogurt because I'm on the blue program of WW and I don't count the yogurt. And then I just take 1 tablespoon of PB2 powder, and I'm gonna measure it because I don't usually measure the honey, but I'm gonna put in about a tablespoon of some nice honey. And you saw in seconds with 3 ingredients that I am making, and I'm just gonna take that out and take my little whisk and just whisk that together. And you don't need to add water to the PB2. Now, if you don't have PB2 powder, I suggest you go out and get some because it is amazing and delicious. And on WW, like I said, low fat, low points, and has all the flavor of real peanut butter, okay? And again, if you want to add more yogurt, more peanut butter, okay, you can do that. Now, I'm just going to taste it because that's what you need to do. Oh my God. That is amazing. I'm telling you, amazing. Now, okay, you can eat it just like this, but I like to take some fresh blueberries, any kind of fruit, raspberries, strawberries, cut up banana, peaches, nectarines, apples, like any fruit you want because it bulks it up. And the other thing I like to add is my homemade granola, okay? And I just sprinkle that on. And it's really, really low and super delicious, and you can find that on my YouTube channel. So I'm just gonna show you that. So easy. The other thing that I brought here to show you is some toasted or roasted almonds, and you can use any seed, you can use any nut. Again, you have to count it on WW, but it bulks it up. It just adds another dimension, and also it will keep you fuller longer when you add other things to it, all right? You know, again, you can use it as a dip with fruit. You could even take some, I was just thinking some cookies, like Pizelli would be good, or graham cookies, and dip it as well, right? Of course, you know I'm right. So peanut butter yogurt, 3 ingredients, versatile, delicious, easy, fast, and a great high protein, low fat, low carb, basically no sugar, all right, option that you can have any time of day or year. All right, so I hope you love this easy peasy recipe and that you've subscribed to my channel. Comment below, tell me what you think. Share my channel with other people. And I just got these Built Bars, strawberry. I just did a video. I'm so excited. And you can buy those also on the Built Bar website and use my code Risa to get an extra 10% off. All right, so that's it. Check out my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa, for extra support. I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips, and my YouTube channel. All right, I love you guys. Mwah. Bye for now. Take care and be well.